Hello everyone, I'm Shubham and this is the PS+PL demonstration of the NAND gate. So here you can see this is the code of the NAND gate and this is simple code of NAND gate, and this is the block diagram that we have. So this has basically few parts. First is we'll search the Zynq board and we'll get the Zynq processing system. As you can see, it is in the video. Then we'll get the NAND gate from the previous HDL code we have generated. Then on the NAND gate, we can see the inputs are going to the GPIO pins. There are two GPIO pins we have taken, the named as GPIO 10 and GPIO 1 respectively. And after simulating this, we'll get this block diagram. So you can see the input is going into GPIO 1 and then going to XC, peripheral and RSPS, and then output is coming from GPIO 1. So you can see that there are two switches, switch 1 and switch 2. These two are input that we are giving to AND gate, and we are getting output from the LED. So from GPIO to peripheral, from to RS5, and then GPIO 1 we are getting output. All these are happening in our diagram design. So this is the diagram, and now this is the constraint that we have taken, that switch 1, switch 0 and LED respectively. And now you can see this is the design wrapper. So after making everything, we'll create a HDL wrapper using this thing, and as you can see, it is already created in this. So I'll just move on to ahead, and in the file I'll just go and I'll export the hardware, and then I'll generate the bit stream firstly, and then I'll export the hardware. You can see here. So I'll export the hardware and I'll launch the SDK. Okay, so after that our SDK will be launched. You can see I'm getting error because my SDK is already open. So I'll move ahead. Now you can see there are two things we need to think. In GPIO 0, we have to go to the IP config, and we have to click all our input, because GPIO 0 is getting input and width as 1, and we'll enable double check. Then we'll click OK. Also GPIO 1, we again go to the IP config, we'll clear all output now, and we'll take 1 and we'll enable the dual channel. So this all is done. Now I will move to the SDK part that you will see now. So this is the SDK part, you can see. So basically there are few things here. One is the NOT gate, other are the platform config and all everything. So the NOT gate code is written as like this. So it is basically written in the C language and all. So we have to make the NAND gate. So we have the AND gate through our hardware part, and now we are making the AND gate, NOT gate, through our software part. So our AND gate output will pass through this NAND gate, and then we'll get our NAND output that you can see in the video that at the end. So these are the basic things that we have uploaded and all. So you can see XGPIO we have taken and like created a NOT gate basically, and this is very simple code that you can see. Also the code base will be provided to you in the link only, so you can go through once and make your own NAND gate. Now I will program the SDK. So after programming the SDK, we are ready for the result. So let's see.
This is the output board for PS+PL, and these two are the select pins. So while we put 1 and 0, the output is still 1, and if we put 1 and 1, the output will be 0. That is the favorable case of the NAND gate. And if we again put the 1 and 0 or 0 and 1, the output will again become 1. So this board is acting like a NAND gate.